In Imphal, MPCC members led by President K. Meghachandra staged a protest at Kangla Fort condemning the alleged assault on AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge and Union Home Minister Amit Shah's remarks on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The protest took the form of a rally beginning at the MPCC office and marching towards the Kangla Fort.
Rajya Sabha, Amit Shah, Union Home Ministers insulted Dr. Ambedkar, who is the father of the Constitution. For that, we are protesting against this Amit Shah, and he should apologize to the nations and to the parliament. We are also highly condemn that this assault to our leader Sri Mallikarjun Kharge ji by the MPs of the BJP, and the Honorable Speaker of Parliament should make the investigation on it and should do something against those who have assaulted to our Honorable President Mallikarjun Kharge.